Workers' compensation for oil and gas workers in Pennsylvania. The oil and gas industry fuels Pennsylvania's economy, but it can also be a dangerous place to work. Long hours, heavy machinery, hazardous materials, these are just some of the risks oil and gas workers face every day. When injuries happen, understanding your rights and getting the support you need isn't just important, it's necessary. Luxenberg, Garbett, Kelly, and George P.C. stands with oil and gas workers in Pennsylvania, helping them get the compensation they deserve when injured on the job. The law and your rights. Under Pennsylvania law, oil and gas workers who suffer workplace injuries are generally entitled to workers' compensation benefits. These benefits cover medical bills, lost wages, and related expenses, regardless of who was at fault for the accident. There's also legal protection in place to prevent retaliation if you report an injury or file a claim. It's important to act quickly. Workers have up to 120 days to notify their employer about an injury. After that, the employer is required to provide medical treatment coverage. If you're unable to work due to the injury, wage loss benefits may be available, whether the disability is temporary or permanent. Because Pennsylvania's system operates on a no-fault basis, you can be compensated even if the accident partially resulted from your own actions. Still, obstacles can arise. Employers or insurers may question the severity of your injuries or deny the connection to your job duties. This is where having an attorney is essential to protect your rights and guide you through disputes. How to navigate injuries in the oil and gas industry. When oil and gas workers get hurt, challenges come quickly. Some employers may misclassify employees as independent contractors, denying access to benefits. Others might pressure injured workers to return before they're ready, risking further harm. Delays in receiving benefits or disputes over the injury's cause or seriousness can make the process even more frustrating. A lawyer can help document your case and advocate for the benefits you're entitled to under Pennsylvania law. What injuries are covered and how the process works. Oil and gas workers are exposed to unique and severe injury risks, and workers' compensation covers a wide range of them. Crushing injuries, amputations, and fractures often occur from contact with heavy machinery. These injuries may require surgery, long-term rehabilitation, or prosthetics. Burns from fires or explosions caused by flammable gases and chemicals are common, and recovery may involve surgeries, skin grafts, and psychological support. Exposure to chemicals like benzene and silica dust can lead to chronic illnesses such as silicosis or even cancer. These occupational diseases can permanently affect a worker's health and quality of life. Traumatic brain injuries and hearing loss caused by equipment malfunctions or extreme noise exposure are also covered, often requiring treatment or assistive devices. In each of these cases, workers' compensation laws in Pennsylvania ensure that injured employees can receive medical care, financial support, and assistance during recovery. If a third party, such as an equipment manufacturer or subcontractor, contributed to the injury, additional compensation may be available through separate legal claims. If you've been injured, don't wait. Accidents often stem from preventable causes, improper equipment use, lack of training, or unsafe work conditions. Human error, mechanical failure, and poor maintenance practices also contribute. When these factors lead to injury, you may be entitled to more than just workers' compensation. Taking immediate steps, reporting the injury, seeking medical attention, and gathering documentation, can protect your rights. Pennsylvania requires treatment from employer-approved providers for the first 90 days, so following the rules is critical to building a strong claim. If you need help filing a claim or dealing with delays and denials, the law firm of Luxenberg, Garbett, Kelly, and George P.C. is here to help. An attorney from our team can assist you in understanding your options and pursuing every available avenue for recovery. Let our lawyers stand with you, whether it's securing workers' compensation or filing a third-party claim. If you or someone you care about has been hurt in Pennsylvania's oil and gas fields, contact Luxenberg, Garbett, Kelly, and George P.C. today. We're ready to fight for the compensation you need to move forward. Call 724-658-8535 or visit us at 315 North Mercer Street, Newcastle, Pennsylvania, 16101, United States for your free consultation.